हेलो एवरीवन, तुम्हारी प्यारी रुदा आगे वापस लाइव इस बार. Today we will be talking about Jalgar.
What Jalgar?
Jalgar.
Oh, I thought it was Jalgar.
This is new thing from our side. We are starting an initiative called Jalgar. जल को ही स्वाद में आजा को कमेंट करने वाले Jalgar. Okay. So I am so sorry. You pretty much know everything that's happening in our country, from COVID resources to crisis and everything. However, we also have certain men who think moral policing is right, who don't have anything to do but rather go find influencers or find accounts that they're doing what they want to do and comment under them telling ki volume down, Ramzan Mubarak, volume down, Ramzan Mubarak, aisa vaisa, abusing my parents, abusing me, and a lot that has happened. This has been happening since a very long time, but I did not really notice. I didn't know who these people were. I didn't know they existed. I didn't care jo karna hai, jo nahi karne hai, whatever they want to do, let them do. This didn't matter to me. I was like, leave me alone. Aapko jo karna hai karo, let that be. Today in the morning when I woke up, again, I live alone with my sister, alright? So if anything happens to me and my sister, this is Shahul, this is, what is that guy's name? Suhail Rasool. I am holding you guys accountable for this. Simple as that. These people who are following these are again 13, 14-year-old boys who have no control over what they're doing. They're taking control, they don't know what this is, that, this, and bullshit like this, who are coming into these things and doing all of these, whatever they're doing. I woke up in the morning to see hundreds of comments, actually a lot, abhi delete hogi, by the way, by saying volume down, Ramzan Mubarak, aisa vaisa, something and all, wherein I've texted ki you guys have the authority to not watch the video. You don't like me, you can block me. Ignore kar sakte ho, not interested bol sakte ho, you can do whatever you want to do, alright? I just want you guys to go ahead and share this to everyone who's been involved in this, because I am not going to stop here, okay? And I didn't know what was happening because this really affected me. 2 days I was not really sharing a lot of COVID stories because it has affected my anxiety and my mental health. I was only taking cases of Bangalore thanks to Mr. Satish who's been working closely with me and giving cases to him. So I was helping, just not uploading a lot of stories but rather taking cases of Bangalore, okay? I did not know who this Suhail Rasool guy is. I didn't know who this Shahul guy is. I was just doing my thing. Jo meko karna hai, main wo kar rahi hu. I'm fasting, eating my own thing, earning my own money, cooking for myself. Me and my sister, we both live here alone. We're doing everything that we can possibly do. We're not really caring about, we don't really care of what's happening. We're just trying to help as many people as possible. Okay? These people think it's okay. So apparently, this guy has made an IGTV abusing influencers for showing their brands or showing whatever they want to, or wearing the clothes they like, by saying ki ye reel na wale, ye tiktoker aa jati ko bol dal ko, within a most abusive, disrespectful way possible. Okay, now Mr. Suhail Rasool, I'm gonna call your name out loud. Tumhe jo kar rahi wo sahi na ve kya? Okay, they're doing their thing because they have to earn their bread. तुम्हें अच्छे तुम्हारे एसी वाले घर में बैठ ले को, अच्छे कपड़े पहन ले को, आईफोन भी पकड़ ले को, तुम्हें कामा करने का रहा तो तुम ना कौन रोक रहा है? उनकी रोटी बिरयानी उन्होंने खाने की कोशिश करी, तुम्हें आराम से बैठ ले को, यहाँ हमें फॉलोवर्स उनको थूक को बढ़ाएंगे को बोलने का रहा तो what can we do? This is how you're gaining your followers, right? What difference does this make? It's their choice of how they want to dress, what they want to do with their social media platform. People who are following them, who like it or don't like it, leave them alone. They unfollow them. They tell them that ki hame nahi dekhna hai ye. The way you've spoken is so abusive. First of all, you're abusive. Second, you're toxic. Third, what you're doing is called bullying. What you're calling Yalgar is not Yalgar. Jaljar is somewhere touch. What you're building, your community, is nothing on a religious basis at all. When I got to know a little more about this, apparently this guy has a motive of Yalgar. He was behind the government for some time. Until then, some things happened. He understood that, okay, he cannot really talk about it because the people in power will actually control him and stuff like this. And then he said, Allah ke naam ke upar, as mera second name Rasool hai, I will do moral policing. ठीक है? What he started doing is, he started कि कौन भी रील करने वाले, टिकटॉकर करने वाले सभी, you have to go and comment under them कि volume down करो, ये करो, वो करो. And I did not know this until now. Imagine the emotional trauma that these people have given to so many people. Without their consent, he takes the reel or the story to his posts, tell them ki this particular person is a Muslim, either she's not wearing a hijab, so go and do that. If she's wearing a hijab, she's making a reel. If she's wearing a hijab, she's wearing makeup and then making a reel. If she's wearing hijab but no makeup, but then still she's wearing a reel, because women are supposed to stay inside the house. Your work is to bear children and not to do anything. How dare you come on social media and talk shit, huh? Suhail Rasool की जगह आदमियां, शाहुल की आदमियां को जल जाती है. तब जाको यलगार जलगार से भी बनता सो. How dare you as a woman come out of your house and have things to do? I saw this Shahul's IGTV wherein on Valentine's Day he's gone out to Cubbon Park to go find women and moral police them. तेरा क्या जी चिच्चा तुम्हें उनके? हाँ? चिच्चा तुम्हें हमारे आको बोलने वाले तुम्हें? Who the hell are you to do that? How is it? This is wrong. This is again bullying. This is you taking videos of them कि बुरखा निकाल रही देखिए शर्म नहीं आ रही जी तुम ना हया नहीं है शर्म नहीं है तुम ना कौन तुम्हें देखने वाले बुरखा निकाल रही कि नहीं निकाल रही को तुम्हें पट्टे ना you are the guys who have porn videos hundreds of porn videos in your fucking phone that's the difference तुम्हारे देख लेकर रहो ईमान नवे इस्लाम नवे पढ़ रही तुम्हें 5 वक्त का नमाज पढ़ ले को फोन दूर रख ले को अपना देखो अपने इसमें करो कामा it is nothing like you have to go do that or this I'm just imagining the number of mental trauma that you have given to so many people out there how is it that people are not talking about this क्या डर को बैठ जा रही तुम्हें क्या कर लेती है तुम्हारा हिस्सा चिच्चा तुम्हें हमारे यहाँ दीदी you know what did he say he commented saying कि you are posting it so people can come and comment you reshared my story okay you reshared my post on your story and then you told your followers to come and comment so it is you Shahul this is done by you to the anger that you seen by the way गुस्सा कर ले रही so feminist ना वे उसते you have never seen a woman being angry right क्योंकि women are supposed to be nice Shahul जी तुम ना चाय हो ना की अयो मेरा नकाब कहाँ छपा लियो मैं मुंह मेरा ऐसा वैसा and stuff like this ऐसा ना होना so if you see women like this who are aggressive women like this who talk shit about this then you can't take it obviously why will you take it and then you took down the story because you saw a number of people complaining. You saw a number of people coming and telling you what you're doing is wrong. Volume down, Ray Chamche, Raina ke shake, go and die somewhere. Volume 2 down, kar. Why are you watching my live? So these people have been mentally abusing, harassing people, going and commenting under their post. Volume down. You have a control over your phone. You have control over what you want to watch and what you do not want to watch. You have a control over stopping those content. What you're doing is abuse. What you're doing is called cyber bullying. What you're doing is bullying altogether. I will stand up today for all of those people you've done this for it. Because if I don't stand up today, nobody else will. तुम्हें तुम्हारी sheep की community बढ़ा लो. You build your herd of sheep. I don't care. If you're going to send it to a lion, you expect them to not roar at you. You expect them to shut their mouth and sit. I will eat you alive. I will stand up. I am going to raise a complaint against the Shahul guy for the mental trauma that he has given me since morning. From abuses to all of these stupid comments that has come his way, and then he had the audacity to tell, "मैं अपने मम्मी भाना हूँ control कर ले रहा हूँ." Control? Who the fuck are you to control them, dude? क्या control कर रहा है तू? शर्म नहीं आती बोलने में तुझे? Control कर ले बैठे तू? People like you are the reason that they feel that. Imagine. Have you asked them? तुमने होना की ये को? You assume. तुम्हें assume कर ले रही सो. मैं didn't I clearly mention that I don't want it? तुम्हें तुम्हारा काम कर लिए. You have told what you have to tell. Have I clearly not told that I don't want to be a part of this? इतना सभी बोल दे बात. Who the hell are you to come and tell what you want to do and what you don't want to do? तुम्हारी चमचागिरी तुम्हें सुन. This Suhail guy, what have you been doing? You've been an active support of COVID. Well and good for you. I've been seeing a lot of influencers doing that as well. I also have a team who's working with me very closely. His name is Mr. Satish. That every complaint from Bangalore goes to him and it has always come out nice. Am I making IGTV about this? Am I complaining about the influencers who's not doing it? अगर करने का रहा तो कर ले को मुंह मुछ लाइक बैठना सबको गिनाने का नब्बे. What kind of a rubbish bullshit is this? Huh? And then these people come English में आके झाड़ ले रही so English में आको झाड़ने का रहता तो if you had studied a little better, no, you could have also झाड़ूफाई in English. But like my English बोलती. Understand this. Your policies are up to you. You can tell things. If people do not want to do it, you do not want to do it. What your followers are doing is called cyber bullying. Understand this. Know the difference. हमारे फतेह, हमारा कौम फतेह को 5 बार बोल रहे तुम्हें इस्लाम नहीं बन जाते, तुम्हें हजरता नहीं बन जाते. Understand what you're doing. Understand how this has to go. I'm gonna turn my volume up so high that you need to understand. You have no clue what has been happening. I missed my sister the entire day. I was like, I want to go home. I just want to hug my father. To the man who's never, ever differentiated because we are 3 girls or compared that I don't have a boy. That's the kind of girl that he has raised. When he raised, he said, "Aise aadmi Ratin kutte aadmi aise. Inse dur rana. I'm going to build you in such a way that you can fight against these people." Suhail, Shahul, I need an apology first of all, Shahul ki taraf se, because you are the one who started this. मैं यहाँ रती नहीं थी if this doesn't happen. ठीक है? But apart from that, whoever the fuck is coming there, volume down. तुम्हें volume down. You volume down. Shut the fuck up. Get off the Instagram, dude. What you're doing is bullying. Kaisa tumhara roza accept hoya tha? So I don't understand. How do you think that Allah is actually going to accept it when you are bullying me to an extent that my mental health has been targeted, when I feel so low? Of a girl who's actually living alone all here in Bangalore, and you think you'll go alone? You think तुम्हें जन्नत को जाती को जलती रहे जलगार तुम्हें जलने वाले. I will not stop. This is for every woman who's gone through harassment. This is for every woman who couldn't talk or couldn't raise a complaint. This is for every Muslim woman who's been questioned to wear a hijab. Every Muslim woman who's been forced to wear a hijab. Every Muslim woman who wanted to wear a hijab but people told ki, why are you wearing a hijab? This is for every girl who wanted to show her skin. This is for every girl who did not want to show her skin. To a girl who likes to dress modestly. To a girl who wants to show whatever the fuck you want to. Who the hell are you to tell what to do and what not to do? You guys don't have the rights to do that. Get off your patriarchy. Get off it. तुम्हें जो कर रही गलत कर रही सो मालूम करो ये. Get this shit right into your fucking head. Yalgar Navve Jalgar. You guys are just creating shit, nothing else. I think that's enough for live today. Guys, no, this is getting a little out of hand. So, guys, you guys know what it is now. We're ending this now. I know we are. No. We're not ending this. We're not stopping this here. I'm going to file a complaint against Suhail. I want an apology from his side. Anybody and everybody who wants to go there. I am an aggressive feminist. I am a Muslim feminist, a woman who's going to raise her voice because she believes in what she wants to do. I am a woman who will not take abuses. I am a woman who will not take... So sorry, it's not women, but woman. I'm a woman who won't take abuses, who won't take slurs, who won't take cyberbullying, and I will stand up for myself and every other girl out there who has to go through this. I want you all to keep sharing this 100 times. I remember this incident that happened in Kerala where this guy was... he felt bad that somebody commented and he went to his house. Is this what you guys are doing? Building a toxic community? I will talk for myself. I will talk and I will talk and I will keep talking because you cannot shut this woman. My dad, Zahir, did not raise me for this. When he raised me, he said, you're going to find piece of shit like this who cannot take strong women and you're going to stand and fight against these assholes. And this is what I'm going to do. Fight against these assholes. I've been receiving a lot of hate, I won't deny, alright? Most of them are understandable. It is something that comes with opinion and things like this. Especially when these are coming from your own community, when they are trying to pull down of a woman who struggled through to come this way. I am a middle class woman. I don't have anybody to pay my bills. Okay, I still take care of myself. I had an event five minutes ago when I finished this and I'm coming here. तुम्हारा बाप का नहीं खा रही मैं. कौन चिच्चा जी तुम्हें आज तुम्हारे पता सुनना इसमें? Who do you think that this is to every single person, I'm telling you, everyone who's following that man, as well as you and that Shahul or whoever the fuck has commented, trust me, to all the anxiety you've given, to every tear that has gone through, Allah tumna jalai nahi. देखेंगे तुम्हें कौन से जन्नत को जाती हमें भी. But yes, we are done. We're done taking shit. We're done understanding. This guy posts the stories and then these people go and comment. Those creators have to apologize. वो apology लेको he posts there and says Yalgar. छी शर्म नहीं आती नहीं तुम ना? शर्म नहीं तुम ना? Is this how you're doing? Is this what it is? And then you're comparing. How dare you compare women to women? How dare you take one woman and consider that this woman is pious because मेरे हिसाब से this is how a woman has to work, and then you take another woman who does not follow and say this woman is a bad woman. How dare you do that? Who the hell are you to do that? Hashtag volume up. Hashtag lower your gaze. Hashtag mind your own business. Hashtag I'm aggressive, I am mad, I'm a feminist, and I will talk for what's wrong. Hashtag this has to stop. Hashtag I will call out every single person out there and file a complaint against everyone. Understand this. by the way, sayonara. This is me, Ruda Tarana, signing off.
But now it just go.